topic Rahul's decision. So children, Rahul has made some decision there. He wants to share that with his parents. So let us read the lesson and we'll come to know what is that. So children, even you will be having some dreams there. So you will be having some dreams. Now only you will be having some dreams after completing the board examination. When you grow up, you will think of becoming doctor, lawyer, engineer, or pilot. You want to take some very nice professions you will be having in your mind, isn't it? Or seeing others. So you will be seeing others, will be thinking even we can be like police officer or a cricketer, so many are there. So like that, Rahul has made a decision there. So let us read and we'll come to know what is that, children. So page number 18. So just follow the lines where I am reading. So Rahul was studying in the hostel far away from his house, and after that, after completing his board examination, he is going back to his hometown to meet his parents, and is having some confusions in his mind. So what is that? We'll read and we'll come to know, children. So let me read there so you can just follow the lines. Rahul was among the last to leave the hostel. The board examination was over. He was deep in thought as he boarded the train. He was in deep thought as he boarded the train. He had taken a decision. What is that? So after reading the lesson, we come to know. Okay, he had taken a decision, but he knew his parents would never approve it. He had taken a decision, but he is thinking that his parents are not going to approve it. They are not going to agree. So like that, he was having some confusion in his mind. So then what happened? He walked home from the station. This gave him time to prepare himself. So what happened? When he was traveling all the way, he was in a deep thought about his decision, how he is going to make his parents agree for his decision. And then later what happened, when he get on from the station, from the train, he started walking from the station to the house there. He did not take any auto or any other vehicle to reach the home there. So why he did like that? Because it will give him time to prepare himself. So whatever he's having thoughts in his mind, he will get more time. When he started walking from station to the home, it will be more time there. So he can think and he can just put the ideas to his parents there. So like that, he will think and he will start walking from the station to the house. So where was his house? His home was a farm, some 6 kilometers out of the town. So where it was? His home was a farm. It was some 6 kilometers out of the town. So long distance. So he started walking from there, and then what happened? So when he reached home, it was almost 5 o'clock. It was 5 in the evening when a tired and dusty Rahul. So just imagine how the place would be in villages and all, a muddy road, isn't it? So because of that, he was fully tired and his dress were full of mud there, and because that's why it's given that when a tired and dusty Rahul, he reached the home. Finally he reached the home at 5 o'clock, and then he pushed open the door of the courtyard. You can see in the picture here. Courtyard means an unroofed area enclosed by walls. So you have seen in the movies and all. So at last he reached the home. He pushed the door of the courtyard there, and then what happened? His mother stood with her back to the door, busy mixing the evening feed for the cows. So what she did not notice Rahul there. He opened the door. He could see that his mother is standing there, busy mixing the evening food for the cows there. She never turned around till Rahul was right behind her. So he went and stood behind her, and then suddenly she turned back and she saw him, and she was so happy to see him. So her eyes were filled with tears there. So like that, she showed her happiness. Okay, and then what she will tell? "Oh Rahul, my son, when did you come?" she will ask. Suddenly she will see him, her eyes filled with tears of gladness. "Oh Rahul, my son, when did you come?" she will ask. A little later, they were joined by Rahul's father. Even Rahul's father also came was inside the house. He heard the conversation of Rahul and his mother, and when he came outside, he saw Rahul. Even he was very happy to see him. A little later, they were joined by Rahul's father. His lean face flushed with pleasure. Even he was very happy to see him. "Hello, son," he said in a voice that quivered unmistakably. Quivered means tremble or shake with a slight rapid motion. So he will ask, "Hello, son," he said in a voice that quivered unmistakably. He was very happy to, even Rahul's father also was very happy because they did not see him for a long time because he was in hostel studying there, isn't it? So after that he came home. So both his parents were very happy to see him back. Then what happened? Then Rahul's father, okay, that one over now. Rahul was quite accustomed to his mother giving vent to her feelings. So Rahul was quite accustomed. Accustomed means what? Accustomed means what, children? To do something familiar with something and accepting it as normal or usual. So that was quite usual or normal for Rahul there. He could see his mother there. Rahul was quite accustomed to see his mother giving vent to her feelings. Vent means what? Release. Vent means release. So she was very happy. I could see that one on his mother's face. He was used to it every time. So he was used to that one. So accustomed means to do something familiar. Okay. And then he knew how to comfort her. Also he knew how to comfort her. But when his father fought back a tide of emotion, things were different. Rahul knew how life had treated his father. He knew how to comfort her. So when he saw her mother, she was showing her happiness, tears filled her eyes, and also he was used to it. He was familiar with her habits, behavior, so he could see that one on her face. And then what happened? Even his father was standing in front of him, but his father fought back to tide of emotion. Even he was having so many things to say that, but he was not just showing his emotions. He could see that one on his father's face also. And then things were different. Rahul knew how life had treated his father. Then seeing his father's face, even he could make out so how his father had struggled a lot. He could see his face and he could make out that one. So like that he will feel after seeing his mother and father there. Okay, children. So let me end my class here. In the next class, let us continue the lesson, children, and we'll learn more about Rahul and his decision. We'll see what happens, whether he is able to make his parents agree to that or not. Okay, we'll continue the lesson in the next class. Okay, children. Thank you.